Hello little learners. Welcome back to our fun learning world. In part 1, Bunny taught us many fun shapes. In part 2, Puppy taught us more fun shapes. And now, in our third part, we are going to learn some fun 3D shapes. Oh look, who is this? It's a cute kitty. Kitty is here to teach us some more shapes. Let's learn together. This is a cube. All sides are equal. A dice looks like a cube. Say it, cube. Now let's learn the next shape with Kitty. This is a cuboid. It looks like a box. Say it, cuboid. Now let's learn the next shape with Kitty. This is a sphere. It is round like a ball. Say it, sphere. Now let's learn the next shape with Kitty. This is a cone. It has a pointy top. An ice cream cone looks like this. Say it, cone. Now let's learn the next shape with Kitty. This is a cylinder. It has two round flat ends. Say it, cylinder. Now let's learn the next shape with Kitty. This is a pyramid. It has a pointy top and flat sides. Say it, pyramid.
Great job, little learners. You are super smart. I loved learning with you. Keep smiling, keep learning. Bye-bye.